kisses on the fucking furniture?
Yeah,
what is that? What is that? What did you do? Did you do a pee-pee in the house? You did a pee-pee in the house. What is this? What is that? What is it? Is that a pee-pee in the house? You did a pee-pee in the house. I can't believe you. I can't believe you did a pee-pee in the house. I can't believe you did that. Who did this? Who did it? You did a pee-pee in the house. Oh my goodness, look at all of this pee-pee. You are not a nice boy. You did a pee-pee all over the floor. All over the floor. What do you want? No, I'm mad at you. I'm very mad at you. You did a pee-pee in the house? You're 4 years old. Why did you do a pee-pee in the house? Why? I'm so mad at you. I don't want to be your friend anymore. No, go. I don't want to be your friend. No, I don't. No, I don't want to be your friend. I don't want to be your friend anymore. You did a pee-pee in the house, and it's a very bad thing. It's a very, very bad thing. I'm so mad at you. I'm so mad at you. I'm so mad at you right now. So mad. I'm so mad.
Push him back. Tell him to.
You stay over there. You stay over there. What is this? What is this? Let's look. What is this? Is that a pee-pee? Did we do a pee-pee? Is that a pee-pee? Who did that pee-pee? Who was it? Was it you? Did you do the pee-pee? Did you do that? That's a very, very, very bad thing. Go to your room. Go. Go to your room, I said. I said go to Jack room. Go. Come on. Go to Jack room. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Go to Jack room. Go. Are you gonna go? Let me see your paw. Are you gonna go to Jack room? Are you gonna go? Are you sorry? Let me see if you're sorry. Are you sorry? You did a pee-pee? And that's a very bad thing? Here, you lay down over here. You lay down and you think about what you did. Because you did a pee-pee. I'm so, so, so mad at you. Very, very bad boy.